Now here, this is my website. I'm writing for article about my using LinkedIn. The purpose of promote your my business purpose. So just I'm going to my LinkedIn profile. The option call is write an article. The article about your any kind of about your services. Just I'm writing coming to publish here my article. Now click for your option. Search here. I can go with any option. Copy. Paste your image. Image will be showing for two things. Small and total. Capture this. Select it. After adding this one, add your content. Select it. After that, go to your site. Copy this URL. Search your total content. Give by hyperlink. For the purpose of give hyperlink, anybody click the content, they're going to where? Your website. Just copy this content. Click for publish with your this one. Using for hashtag. Don't forget the hashtag for when using for share this content. For sale, publish. This article will be sharing for here. So we're going to publishing. Unless your article will be published. So your article will be sharing where? One is on Facebook, second will be Twitter. So select your title. Here's a question. Can you share only for two social network? Other social network will be possible. Here will be option call is share, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter. Already I am promoting for LinkedIn. Why I call for LinkedIn? Is only for article mode. We can promote by LinkedIn profile. Select it. People watch the public purpose or public plus Twitter purpose. Select here. Always using for LinkedIn is the two advantages. Again, you can promote for LinkedIn, LinkedIn plus Twitter option also. Here's the two advantages. Share post, where public plus Twitter. Any of the article will be shared by where public plus Twitter also. Just click for post. Is it clear? Any kind of article we can sharing will be two options. Public base will be Twitter. So clear? So any article you can sharing for social network, LinkedIn, there are two things. LinkedIn with the Twitter option. If you sharing for Twitter, no advantage. If you sharing for Facebook, you sharing by the Facebook and Twitter also. So one using for any kind of article, you can sharing for LinkedIn profile one, the profile sharing for Twitter account. Just come here. Just is a 6 minute back. Refresh. We check the new article. Just here's the option. So clear? So when you're publishing here, nothing will be happen. So that is called some mistake will be happen here. Just copy, share, LinkedIn. Article will be not fetching for perfectly. So share your post. You can't display preview. You can't post your try another link. So is a facing problem. Just refresh. Select it. LinkedIn. Share post. You can't. They show on for the link option. So you can sharing by directing to share to Twitter. Once post is done your Twitter, we can't edit. We can't edit here. Just I'm sharing for Twitter here. Everything done. What? Now check. Click for refresh. This is it. Just I'm looking for this option. They go to it on your LinkedIn article option direct. So is also one drawback is when you're sharing for article to Twitter, the image will be not displayed. Only for article link will be displayed. See this. They come into user, they click for link. They go to a website. So the article also is generating for business for people know about your business purpose. Is it clear? This is called you can promote your article on your LinkedIn profile. Here I'm posting for my article where you can check my article list. That is called when you come into your home page. So how many you're posting done? You can checking for in this option called is view profile. The view profile after clicking here, just click for post and activity. Post and activity. Just click here. Just article. How many articles are there? Only for one article. See this one. If you check the article views, how many people are watching for my article? Available. Why? Because nobody can watch. So not available by the article views. So your post views. Post. Each post we can do option for the all activities. Select it. See this. Copy link to post. Embed this post. Embed this post purpose. This post we can add by where? Website purpose. All activities. So these are called you can check the LinkedIn activities. Once article will be done, you can check the article analytics also. How many people are watching our options. So this is called our activity for your profile options.